Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can motion track and get a better result by doing this manually on CapCut PC. So just zoom in a little on your video like so and make sure you're on the first frame. I'm going to just cut it though, like here, and start there. And then I'm going to select text, add in default text, and add in an O or a dot or like any letter you want. I'm just going to use the O for mine, and I'm just going to place it on his face, and I'm going to adjust it till the end of the video. I actually want to start where he's kind of in the middle, so here, and then I am just going to select this video and I'm going to lock the O in place, and I'm going to add in keyframes. And as he moves his head, even the slightest, so like here, as you can see his head is up there, move the video like downwards, so it's only his face that's on the O, like the focal point of it. Again here, and then like here, and then here, and then you're going to just keep moving the video so that his face is on the O. And make sure you take your time with it. I have tried the motion tracking that is available on the CapCut app itself, but it just doesn't work as well as if you do it manually, because it just turns out really weird in my opinion. So just keep doing that until you're finished with the video. But I'm just going to end this video here because it takes a long time. But I'm just going to delete the O, and this is what it should look like, this part. As you can see, the camera moves with his body, like his body motion. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!